Coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family, there are so many uses of the coconut tree. You can build a bigger house for the family. All you need is to find the coconut man. If he cuts the tree, he gets the fruits free. It's the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree. From the cocoa palm family.